Hello all you beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here, and today I am back with another laundry routine. However, this is my after dark laundry routine, and the first thing that I'm going to do is turn on all the lights and make the room nice and comfy and cozy, light a candle, grab my drink of water there, and just make this a little bit more relaxing of a task to do. On this night, I just had a lot of washing to fold up. I had already done a lot of loads of laundry and I just needed to catch up on folding, but I did start my night off with putting on a load of washing from our bathroom just to keep on top of it. That is the goal here. I can keep on top of getting everything clean, but I can't keep on top of the folding. I hate folding. Who else is with me here? But once that's on, it's time to get right on into the folding.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
So now that that load of laundry is on, it is time for me to put some music on, jam out a little bit, and start the folding.
City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me makes me go another round. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you, it's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling, can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you, it's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Hear me calling out to you, it's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you could know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright. It's crazy how we started off so good. Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright.
Okay, so almost done. Come on, focus. And I've been informed that the washing machine could be broken. It's just what I need.
I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse.
finally done for the night. I am looking worse than I started, and yeah. I'm gonna go hop in bed and watch some Netflix for a little bit before I go to sleep. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is where you are when you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't need you here to feel alright.